Hi Layered Online, my name is Angelo Vallillo and I'm going to be taking you through some step-by-steps on how to create the fuzzy logic look using the new Sebastian products, Tech and Resin Tech. Step 1. Prep the hair with Tech from Sebastian Professional to give great volume and texture. Step 2. Starting at the back of the head, take horizontal sections, spraying on starboard 9 to help protect the hair from heat and to aid in styling. Step 3. Using a crimper, crimp each section of the hair. Step 4. Take a pea-sized amount of Tech, spread it into the palms of your hands. This will help with distribution. This will give amazing texture and give fantastic volume. Step 5. Fix the look with zero gravity hairspray for dry, brushable, lightweight control.